Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica Rest Gamer here with another reaction. Yeah. And today we are breaking down D-Block Europe overseas featuring 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃. And this is what we're breaking down. Notice I said breakdown, not reacting. Breakdown. So I'm gonna pause every 10 seconds. The reason for that is D-Block Europe song them always I get black from the channel. If you notice, I not have much of his song them on the channel because YouTube keep blocking them. I don't know why. So we need to pause this like every 10 seconds for this one to get through. So I'm gonna break it down in my 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐊𝐃. So this should be interesting. So we're gonna see wagwan, what am I say? So let's go. Let's go.
The year just started and right now I'm looking for cribs overseas. I'm giving my lady some driving lessons in 100 grand Jeep.
The year just started and I'm looking for cribs overseas. I'm done by the crib them in the UK already. Where him need. So I look overseas now. I look for holiday homes. I look for investments. You see me? Him say I give him girl a driving lesson in 100 grand car, brother. That's fire.
When you see me in public, no photos, man, I need some privacy, please. Good girl, she just sat on my face, now she saying her legs are gone weak.
When you see me in a public, no photo, you need some privacy, brother. When you're in privacy, when you're in the public, you don't have no privacy. If you're once you're in the public, once you're in a public place, you don't have no privacy, brother. You understand? So but they just give fans them photos or videos or whatever they want. Just give it to them. It's not every time you can give it to them, but don't be arrogant about it. Just tell them to listen. You know, say I'm not in the mood right now for that or whatever. And keep it moving. Don't think to them can't video or nothing. They can. And the police can't do nothing about it. Public place. Them can video everything them can see from public. Alright? Next part we say now, but you sit down in your face. Because I need them weak or something. Move your bum buckler with that, D-Block. We not support that part there. You alone go on with that one. Big up yourself. You eat what your stomach can handle. Let's go.
Bad. See the Jakes outside now, flushing the water down the toilet. Mad. Rich and Millie a crib by the port, and it's important.
Him say, the police have outside, so him a flush the work them down the toilet. So, obviously, him have things in him house when nothing up, so them a go down the toilet. No evidence, no case. Alright?
If you need a
him say something about Richard Mille, but make it go. Richard Mille, watch your Mario, but make it go.
if I that nigga, then it will get awkward. And I know that nigga get money now. I am the nigga that taught him. Bro, I get the birds in, fuck a drought. Work.
So the nigga we get money, him teach him. So basically, him a tell us say yo, him a the teacher, and him know how to get the money better than that nigga that's getting money. But big up the nigga that's getting money. Them say, no, him have the birds in something about drought, but I not get a part, I keep it moving. I not make it a long breakdown.
Workers misbehaving, chuck him out. I get the money, nigga that taught him. Bro, I get the birds in, fuck a drought. Workers misbehaving, chuck him out. I get the money from my house. Out in a lovely country town.
So, the people that may work for him, if them a misbehave, chuck them out. Not no time for your bullshit. You're a big man. Me not no time for that shit. Chuck you out. Go one side. Him say him get him money from the...
Cause misbehaving, chuck him out. I get the money from my house. Out in a lovely country town.
The money from him out into a lovely country town. I'm gonna leave the full song in the description without me pausing it every 10 seconds. Or less than 10 seconds. Because I break down the bar self. I break down and it might not be for a lot of you guys, but me I break down.
I said if you care about a fly route, go to the Louis store and buy it now. I'ma keep pouring till I'm running out. I just hit it from the back, she's scared she running out.
Let me just say, me like the car them in the background. What's this? A GL63? When a G-Wagon them, and I think it's a Porsche of the thing as well, I think.
Ooh.
Hold on there.
Right now, I'ma keep pouring till I'm running out. I just hit it from the back, she's scared she running out.
Look on them ring. Can't see them ring, right? I'm in the way, right? Look on the ring. It's a goated ring.
young and lit, money keep on coming in. Ooh, I keep a rock band on standby, pull up and drum that shit. Ooh.
I keep a rock band and supply and
Keep on coming in. Ooh, I keep a rock band on standby, pull up and drum that shit. Ooh.
Keep a rock band and standby, pull up and drum that shit. When I refer to this, I don't know.
Ooh, deep in it, I'ma swim. Hand on heart, I love this chick. Ooh.
Oh, is that girl in my sing boat? Keep a rock band. Okay. Pull up and drum that shit. So I beat it from the back. That he mean. The
niggas drive me family, love them on some private shit.
She sucked my soul, she done it like Ash Cash. I keep on getting them flashbacks.
She's doing like who? She suck your soul, she do it like who?
Some private shit.
She sucked my soul, she done it like Ash Cash. I keep on getting them flashbacks.
Who's Ash Cash? Hold on there, man. Let me Google this blood clot quick. Come on, who is Ash Cash? Who is Ash Cash? Sorry, I'm breaking down. Ash Cash, her nickname is Heaven Sent, fashion model, social media influencer, TikTok star, nail artist, Instagram personality, and entrepreneur. A social media post, famous for social media posts. Okay. Age 25 years old. Chicago, Illinois. She come from, so American girl. Okay. So what do you mean by she don't like Ash Cash? What? Has Ash Cash got like a sex tape out or something? Where she eat a sugar cane or something? Somebody explain to me what is going on in the comment section, please. Ash Cash. Our picture them look good. She look hotter than summer in Egypt. Ash Cash, big up herself. But more somebody explain to me what you do, Ash Cash, your ass.
I was OT, so I had to bash. I almost thought about getting a cab back. Do it like Recon video that if we upload it, probably get some backlash. Backshot.
This song, I gotta go straight pan trending. Number 1. No joke. This song, I gotta go straight pan trending at number 1. No joke.
She got the ripple effect, it's too tempting, I can't help but slap that. Fuck that, pull out, I don't wanna be a dad yet. Plan B, girl, you gotta swallow that tablet. The way that
she had the ripple effect, so when they slap it, after jiggle. She have the ripple effect. And he must say, fuck that, basically, him not want to be a dad yet, so when I fuck it, him have to go pull out. I'm just breaking down what he's saying. I'm breaking down what I can find. You know what I mean? I'm breaking down, man. Let's go.
she handle it, this one talented. Pum pum soaking, feel like I'm paddling. Back come round, I'm a fan of it. Ride on a bike one time and saddle it. Hey.
And the pum pum soaking, where they feel like him paddling. Bumbo class. She wet, man. I jazz Japanese like Japanese, man. She wet, Central. She wet, man. She Central, I got.
Yo, a doctor working wonders. Damn, that's a big circumference. Get her wet, she don't need no lube. On the 40th floor, you should see the view. Round, I'm a fan of it. Ride on a bike one time and saddle it. Hey, yo, a doctor working wonders. Damn, that's a big circumference.
I'm never hear when I'm saying something about working one big circumference. Me not get that by this. Somebody put it in the comment section when I'm saying about that.
Get her wet, she don't need no lube. On the 40th floor, you should see the view. She don't wanna send me a pussy on Snapchat, madman. I don't wanna leak your news. How do I?
Ladies, careful. Don't send out on the pum pum on Snapchat. Some of them boy will leak on the nose. Not saying the boss are doing it, you know, but some of them boy are dirty boy. Some of them boy are ain't shit. Ain't shit. That is them. Let me leak your notes. Don't send it to them, send it to me. Me not leak it. Me not leak it, a blood clot. Send it, come give me not leak it.
I say if I seem in rude, I just wanna see if it's cute. Shake that back like a video vixen. This one here don't wanna be in my tune. She wanna go.
Shake that back like a video vixen. You know some hot. Yeah, then some of them video and nowadays, you know. Yo, me like that song, yeah.
Oh, no view just for the snap. If I pay for the tab, you best eat your food. Word on the road, this search, get 100 a show. This whole one, see if it's true. Posting, she don't wanna be with the squares no more. She says she wanna be with the goons.
She don't want to be the squares no more. What is the squares? Explain that term there for me. What, as a nerd? Or what? I don't know. She said she want to be with the goons. She want to be with the gangster them, the street niggas them, the thugs them. I understand? Big up the two artists them, big them up.
She got hack it, not active, too smoky, now she wanna leave the room.
The year's just started and right now I'm looking for cribs overseas. I'm giving my lady some driving lessons in 100 grand Jeep.
I like the fact that them two artists have found together because they're both doing bits. They're both hot right now. Them both are the numbers on YouTube and Spotify. So I like the fact that them found together and do it that.
When you see me in public, no photos, man, I need some privacy, please. Good girl, she just sat on my face, now she saying her legs are gone weak. Bad.
The sit pan face part, see me not tolerate that with you. So you do that. You do you, brother. You do you.
See the Jake's outside now, I'm flushing the water down the toilet. Mad. Richard Millie a crib by the port, and it's important. Side. If you
Richard Millie crib by the. You know what? Leave the body for somebody else breakdown.
You knew the truth about that nigga, then it would get awkward. And I know that nigga get money now, I am the nigga that taught him.
I love the try.
I know that nigga get money now, and I'm the nigga that taught him. That's what he said. So who is this now? So we see D Black Europe. Okay, so he's a part of D Black Europe, right? Is it? Or is just one person in D Black Europe?
$250,000 cars and never enough. Couple million I put aside. Cut me a villa in Mars. She need 10.
Cut me a villa in Marbs. That Marbella. Where is that?
And rats for a us, bro. I put that on my dogs. My killers still swerving around, but that ain't a reason for Mars. I feel like
This is a banger. This is a hit song. And I'm sure it's enough people was waiting for this. A lot of people was waiting for this collab. So see it there. Wanna get it.
the drum and it's kicking away. Spin it back like I'm Target. I sat in my kitchen, I'm whipping away, and I'm chopping off right with no garlic. It's a carrot.
You hear him say ago? I'm not repeat it. Me not repeat it. If you never hear me, not repeat it.
Carousel when I'm spinning the tray. Here on my flies delay. I tell my little nigga go flex on my rollie, no money to waste.
I told my little nigga to flex back.
My flies delay. I tell my little nigga go flex on my rollie, no money to waste.
Yeah.
The year's just started and right now I'm looking for cribs overseas.
Jeez.
I'm giving
Bad song. Like the song. Chorus bad. Video bad. Them they are Paris, cause I see the Eiffel Tower, I see them they are Paris, right?
my lady some driving lessons in 100 grand Jeep. When you see me in public, no photos, man, I need some privacy, please. Good girl, she just sat on my face, now she saying her legs are gone weak.
Yeah, like I said, not the start of the video. Sometime you're out, you know, no photos and thing, but you have to remember, say, all that shit come with the job where you do, brother. Remember, you're famous and you have fans out there, you see me? So, more time than more on that, so.
Bad. See the Jake's outside now, I'm flushing the water down the toilet. Mad. Richard Millie a crib by the port, and it's important. Side. If you knew the truth about that nigga, then it would get awkward.
Yeah, more got France. Never got France yet. More got France. More go see what it's like over there.
And I know that nigga get money now, I am the nigga that taught him.
Well, I'm gonna leave it as up. Hopefully, this one do not get taken down because I paused it like less than 10 seconds. So, if anybody in the comment section know how to get around this copyright strike, if any other reaction channel is watching that get around the copyright strike, please let me know how. I must say one teeth, two head better than one. You see me? Yeah. So one teach one. So. I would be willing to learn to get around out because I got so much video when me do and them get black. So much of them do me do. There's so much videos on the channel get black. So let me know if you know. Alright. So big up Central C, big up 7G, big up D Black Europe, big up on yourself. You see me? Solid video. Solid. Like it. So see you guys on the next one. Alright.
Yeah, that's it. It's a wrap.
Yes!
Finito.